Oi, Logan. Tá de humor melhor agora? Só botar pra fora de casa. Bebê não aguentava mais ficar preso dentro de casa. Agora tem sombrinha. A árvore fez sombra. You wanna put the glasses on? Por que você tá jogando os brinquedos? It's about 100 degrees outside. And now it's nice and shade. Ay, ay. Logan was being a pain in the ass the whole day. Because he wants to be outside. My baby likes to be loose. Outside. Hey! Now I'm getting the water for the pool, a little cool. Okay, give me your passy. No more passy. Cadê, bebê? Logan, aí está Logan, mommy. Soon enough, I'm taking those diapers out, and we're gonna be in the pool. Just chilling. And then Luca will come too. Water's chilling. Where are you going, baby? You wanna come here? Give me your hand. I'll help you. Give me your hand. Come on. Now? Logan. Logan, Logan, Logan. Oh my God. You wanna go in the pool? Let's go. Logan, come. Let's come. Okay, water is ready. Goodbye.